Hello, welcome back to another video with Mommy's Designs and DIYs. Today I'm going to teach you how to make candles. These little containers are 3.5 ounces, between 3.5 and 4 ounces. So these are the two that I'm going to use. These I got at Michael's and they were 99 cents and they come with the lid. They also have other ones that have a little handle. So what is very good about these candles is that once you finish using them, you can have your husband put some holes in here and use it as a salt or pepper shakers. So these are really good. These I found at the Dollar Tree, and they had candle, but the smell of those candles I really didn't like. So I only bought them for the container, and I melted the candle and threw it away, and I'm gonna make my own. They have them in a nice green, like a vintage green, in gray and in pink. Okay, so the oils, most of the information I'm giving you, I'm going to put it on the description box. But these oils I get from a place online called elementsbathandbody.com, and they're very inexpensive. The shipping is a little tricky, but I think that you can get away with it. These candles I used to sell them, and I usually sell them for $6.95. And after this video, I'm gonna do another video with all the breakdown, how much you spend, how much you make, and how much you can sell them for. When they buy them from me by big quantities, for example, both of them are really cute, like for a wedding or a quinceañera, to give them as mementos. I sell them for around $455, but they have to order about 75, 100, 150. My profit per piece is less, but by the big amount is more. Okay, you can use any flowers that you want. Today I'm going to be using the green tea fragrance and the lemon zest. If you're going to make the candles for your house, you can use anything and combine them in different ways. But if you're going to sell them, you make sure that you write it down in a notebook or something, the fragrance that you're using and the dry flowers that you're using for it, so that you use the same ones all the time. I have these that I recently did, and I don't have the directions on how to do these, how to dry your flowers, but I'm going to put a link on the right hand side above so that you can watch that. Okay, so here are a few of the flowers that I have done. Okay, so, and I'm also going to use a white quartz to put it in the candle. And on the description box, I'm going to put the properties of these, the properties of each fragrance oil. The one that I did for the orange candles, I already explained to you that you dilute your organic soy wax in a low heat. And this is the one that I have where I do all my candles. I don't use it for anything else. When I do a batch of candles in one fragrance, I go ahead and pour the fragrance inside the oil. But being that today I'm going to do 2 different fragrances, you can easily pour it. So we're going to go ahead and start pouring. I'm going to make 2 different fragrances. So we go ahead, I'm going to make one of each. Okay. And at this point, you can go ahead and you can either use either one of these. When I bought my wax, these came free, 3 of them, and 150 of these sticks. You can either use these like that, or you can use this wick. And this one, what you do, you cut it to the size, and then you dip it in the warm wax and straighten it, make it straight, and it's going to get hard, and then you just put it in and cut it. It's very easy to make, but I'm using these ones right now because these are the ones that came free with not free, but part of the package. Okay, so right now we're just gonna do 1 milliliter of the fragrance. Okay, this one, when I pump, it only gives me 0.5 milliliter. So you're gonna get 1 milliliter of the fragrance, and you're gonna just mix it. And at that point, you can smell it and see if that's as much as you want. I usually just put 1 milliliter or one full dropper like this. Okay, so that's what you do when you mix it. So now the next step is going to be to go ahead and put our wick inside. And if you're going to use these little tools, you're just going to go straight right in the middle and place it and leave it that long. If you're going to use something like this that you can reuse, you're just going to measure it. And then you put your stick like right where it's going to sit and just twist it around. So just right there, and it's right in the middle. Or, which I think is easier, and I'm considering buying a few more, is this one. Just go ahead and make it straight and bring it right in. Okay. And so we're gonna wait a few minutes until it starts drying so we can put the flowers and the cords. And this is how I decorate these candles. Like I wrap them up with the yute string, and then I put these labels that says what kind of candle it is, and this is how it looks. Okay, this is a lavender candle. And then for these other ones, what I do is I make labels like this, and I put them on the side, and I also put the string around. I'm gonna show you how it's done because I forgot to bring one from my store. So these are the labels. I make my own labels. I use 8.5 by 11 printable vinyl, and I'm gonna put a video on how you can make your own labels, and I'm gonna put a link of the one that I use. Okay, so we're gonna wait a few minutes until the wax starts drying, and we'll continue with the next step. So it's been 25 minutes, and at this point we can go ahead and take this tool out. And if your wick move a little bit, you can put it back in the middle. This is where you can put it back in place. This is the one that seems a little harder to do, but there it is. And I'm just gonna try to pull it out of the candle. So there it is. At this point, you can go ahead and start adding your flowers. I decided that for these two, I did some lemon peel that I'm gonna put right on one side. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these lavender flowers and some roses for that one. And for this one, I'm gonna use these 3 for the green tea. Okay, you guys, so here they are. My lemon zest, I put the lavender flowers, the rose, and the lemon peel with the ports. And the green tea, I put this yellow with red flowers with the same seeds that came in the middle. And I put some rosemary just to give it a little bit of green, and the quartz. So at this point, I only need to put the labels that I have at my store. My store has been closed since March the 27th, I believe. So I need to go over there and create the labels for this, but these are ready. Once the wax completely dries, I'm gonna let it be for about another 2 hours. Once it's completely dry, then you can go ahead and cut the wick at whatever level you desire it, and they're ready. You can find me on Facebook as Mommy's Designs California, Mommy's Designs CA. You can find me on Instagram as Mommy63. If you want to instant message me, I've been helping quite a few people in regards to the soaps and the bath bombs, so I don't mind it. The next video we're doing is going to be about how to price them and how much you spend and how much you generate. Okay, so that's the next video. For now, please thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with your friends. Also, you can find me on Pinterest. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna put the links below or on the screen. Have a blessed day and stay safe. Cover your mouth when you go to the store, and we're gonna succeed through this virus. God bless you and your family. Thank you.